Hi there, Gong community. My name is Carolyn Allen. I'm a senior SDR here at Gong, based out of the San Francisco office, and I support the enterprise business unit. A fun fact about me is that I actually grew up on a wildlife refuge in Central Valley, California. The superpower that I'd like to share with you today that Gong gives me is the ability to level up my account-based prospecting efforts. When prospecting, it's important to know the history of the account and our previous interactions. Have we had previous interactions? Who have we spoke with, and what were their top priorities at the time? And because we're prospecting within Gong, all of this data and all of those insights are being consolidated to make a more effective workflow to execute a bit quicker and more effectively. The workflow that I use, and that I'll show you today, for this superpower is I start by navigating over to my accounts page within Engage. And from there, I select the account that I want to work. So in this case, Second Chase. From Second Chase, I go and review the entirety of the account. So by doing this and navigating to review the account, I can have a holistic view of every interaction within the account. So be it previous calls, emails, web conferencing, to have a deep understanding of when we've last spoken to them, what that conversation entailed, and their top priorities at that time. If I'm in a bit of a rush and I don't have the opportunity to listen to the entirety of a call, what Gong Ask Me Anything feature gives me the ability to do is say, what were 3 of the customer's top priorities at that time? And from there, our AI will ingest all of these interactions that we've had and give us a very in-depth answer, as you can see here. And if I want to see exactly where they pulled those 3 customer priorities from, it can show me all of these calls. Maybe it's an email as shown here, and say, okay, that's a good place to start. I'll also use a different example. So in Second Chase, we've had previous conversations, what they were looking for, what they were looking to solve. And to take it a step further, we can go into that more details tab. And then also you have the ability to use that Ask Me Anything feature directly from the accounts page. So I can ask the same questions here. If I don't need a holistic 12-month overview of what was going on, I can ask that same question in the accounts page and then quickly navigate to add these folks into flow. So as an SDR, my goal is to provide enough value to my prospects to elicit a response to set up a meeting for my AE or my counterpart. Gong gives me the ability to see what prospects care about from their own mouth or their own writing in email's case. So I can use that in my outreach and be sure that it's tailored to the folks that I'm reaching out to. I hope you found this helpful and happy prospecting.